Hello everybody, this is Brian from Good Auto Diagnostics. Thank you for stopping by the channel. We're going to do a little video of my diagnostic cart setup. Let's get started. Just a Harbor Freight cart. It was originally a red cart. I'm not a big fan of red toolboxes, carts, what have you. So I had my son paint it. We've got 27-inch monitor used for the Pico, of course. Got the laptop, speakers on either side. Got a side table for my mouse. I've also got a side table on the other side. If I need to put some test equipment up there, I've got more space to do so. Little flashlight on the back there. On the boom is 3/4 inch conduit that goes into a piece of 1-inch conduit, and I have clamps to mount it and hold. Just where the boom actually is, there's a little bit of a detent on the boom so it doesn't just swing around. You can kind of see right there where it's rubbing. No big deal. But it swings around quite easily and extends out far enough so I can get everything, not tripping on the cables. Got all my leads. Got my electronic specialties. Low amp clamp. Electronic specialties high amp clamp here. All my Pico leads. Now let's go into this first drawer here. Alright, into the first drawer here. We've got a couple attenuators. I've got a Handtech 20-to-1, Pico 10-to-1. Got some T-pins, banana to BNC adapter. Got your alligator clips. This is a loop for checking fiber optic network. Jumper comes in really handy. All my alligator clips here. Got some Pomonas. My fuse current loop. Got my 11-inch Phil's probe. Comes in super handy. Various back pins, adapters. Got some more wire taps. Various terminal tools. Some more various terminal tools here. Some more probes, flexible probes. Some good flexible probes there. Fuse puller comes in handy. Go to the next drawer. It's a little 5-volt project box I made. Various jumpers. GM map sensor. This is a load test headlight bulb. 4.68 amps. That's what that one pulls. Good for load testing. More back probe terminals, test terminals, various ones. Got these from GM years ago. They used to give you these when you went to hands-on classes, a package of these every time you'd go. Wish I had them all now. I'd lend them out to buddies and never turned them. Those are priceless. Various jumpers, Alligator clip in the wrong drawer. It's another back probe kit. This is an extra kit I have. All the different adapters, the different leads with the bananas. On to the next drawer. Some extra AES wave back probes. Can't ever have too many of these. 2 packages of those. Here's my cop tester, my Hickok cop tester. It's got the wand, sensitive probe, paddle. This one's supposed to be not so sensitive. I don't tend to use this one too much. And the lead, extension lead. Here's a roll of wire used for making jumpers, alligators, BNC jumpers. Need to make me some more leads there. Here's a BNC to RCA. I guess RCA is the only thing I've known that connection to be. I can use that with my wand and the Pico. Haven't really had a chance to try it out yet. Been busy doing engine work here lately. On to the next drawer. Got my can test box here, OTC. Love this thing, comes in very handy. Got a couple spark plug wire leads. Hook up to the scope with the BNC connections. This is a 25-foot BNC to BNC. Used to get some extra length when I'm using my Cody's Auto Diagnostics pressure pulse sensor. Great tool, by the way. Thank you, Cody. Got my MDI for programming with GM. Got my Modus Edge. Comes in handy. Down to the next drawer. Got my Fluke 88. Various alligators for it. Temperature probe. Inductive probe. Liquid electrical tape for piercing the wires. Take care of that afterwards. We don't want any corrosion, onset any troubles further down the road. Doing the job right. Another package of electrical connectors, BNC type. Box of test terminal removal tools, jumpers. Comes in really handy. And the Tech 2. I've had this Tech 2, bought it brand new in 1998. Never once had a problem. That's because I don't let anybody borrow it. It's never had a new cable. Had the candy module rebuilt once, or refurbished. Had an issue with it about 6 years ago. And down on the bottom, we've got my printer. Works really great. Got my fender cover here. Cases for my current clamps. My battery backup down there. Works really handy. Right here on the side, I've got a 25-foot cord. So when I unplug and go mobile around the shop, I won't lose power to the monitor or the printer. Or anything else. I can just reel it out, plug it in, unreel it, take off and go. That's it, everybody. Appreciate you stopping by. Check out the diagnostic cart. Remember, if you like the video, click like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down below. Thanks for stopping by.